Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a crucial step for anyone sending emails through Amazon SES, setting up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. These three protocols are essential for email deliverability and ensuring your messages land in the inbox, not the spam folder. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your Amazon SES dashboard. From the left-hand menu, under Configurations, click on Identities. Here, you'll see a list of your domains. Select the domain you want to configure. To get started, you need to verify your domain with SES. Amazon makes this easy by providing the necessary records for you. You'll see 3 CNAME records. You need to copy each of these records and add them to your domain's DNS settings. Now, head over to your DNS provider. In this example, we're using Amazon Lightsail DNS. Go to your domain's DNS records and click on Add Record. For the record type, select CNAME. Paste the record name from SES and the corresponding value. A quick tip, you can usually remove the domain name from the end of the record name field, as your DNS provider usually adds it automatically. Repeat this process for all 3 records. Once all 3 CNAME records are added, head back to your Amazon SES portal. It may take some time for the changes to propagate, but you'll soon see that your DKIM configuration is successful. Next up is SPF. The easiest way to publish a valid SPF record for SES is by setting up a custom mail from domain. In your SES domain settings, click on Edit and tick the box for Use a custom mail from domain. Enter a subdomain you want to use, like mail.yourdomain.com. and click Save Changes. SES will then generate 2 new DNS records for you, one MX record and one TXT record. Go back to your DNS provider and add both of these records. The MX record points to SES, and the TXT record contains the necessary SPF information. Once added and verified, you'll see that your custom mail from domain is successful, and your emails will be SPF aligned. The final and most important step is setting up DMARC. DMARC builds on both SPF and DKIM to protect your domain from spoofing. You'll need to create the TXT record for your domain. The host of name of this record should be DMARC. For the value, you'll want to paste your DMARC policy. A simple starting policy might look like this. Just be sure to replace the email address with your own, so you can receive reports. Hit Save, and with that, your domain is now fully protected. It may take some time for all the DNS records to fully propagate, but once they do, every email you send from Amazon SES will pass DKIM, SPF, and DMARC verification, significantly improving your email deliverability and protecting your brand. Now let's verify that everything is set up correctly using PowerDMARC's free tools. Go to PowerDMARC.com and open the SPF Checker tool. Enter your domain and click Check. If your setup is correct, you'll see that Include Amazon SES appears in the record, confirming that Amazon SES is authorized to send emails on your behalf. Next, go to the DMARC Checker tool. Enter your domain and click Lookup. You should now see the DMARC record we published earlier, confirming that it's live and working. With these checks, you can be confident that your domain is properly protected and authorized. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Thanks for watching.